Before gold, there's wax. Before gold, there's the work of human hands. We're all wax carvers in our work, our homes, our lives, creating what machines never could. Let me explain. The fun of sculpting starts with something simple, a block or a sheet of wax. You cut it down to match the image in your mind, then build it back up to create shapes and depth. Every cut matters. Every small decision changes the piece. If you cut too much, you build it back up again. Depth isn't designed, it's earned through time, patience, and precision. For this piece, I'm creating a palm tree pendant, something that feels alive and natural. Through collaboration with my client, we created a vision. My job was to bring it to life. It started rough, but that's part of the process. You carve, refine, and chase the form until it takes shape. With CAD, it's different. Once the computer prints it, you're stuck with it. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you're thinking, I should have done it myself. I could have made it so much better. It needs more. The glorious thing about sculpting is you can build it up and cut it down, refining it every step along the way. It's not about following the computer screen. It's about creating something from your mind. The truth is, we all carve wax in our own way. From a teacher grading a paper, knowing in her mind how it could have been better, to a mechanic instinctively tuning an engine by ear, to a doctor listening to the heartbeat and knowing what the problem is. All of these actions create a solution. Just like how I carved this wax, we all have that built-in instinct when something's right. But over time, we've started giving that up. We let computers, AI, and machines decide how things should look, sound, and feel. Maybe that's faster, but it's not human. That's the difference between something carved by hand and something made by a machine. A machine can make it perfect, but it can't bring it to life. Hand carving pieces have character and warmth. You can see the choices that were made, the care that went into every detail. In other words, the human side of it comes out. So when you see this finished palm tree pendant, you're not just seeing gold. You're seeing the hours of carving, shaping, and insights that brought it to life. That's what makes hand carving jewelry special. It was imagined in my mind, then sculpted by hand, creating a true, one-of-a-kind piece that can't be duplicated.